Hi teens, this is Sarah with the Pulaski County Public Library Teen Department. Today we're going to be making soccer bracelets and keychains. So I found this kit on Amazon that has everything for the keychains, everything for the bracelets. It comes with soccer beads, it comes with some black beads, some white beads, everything's like that. So what I decided to do is, it also comes with a pair of pliers too, because you'll need those, is use some of our mini pony beads to add some color and just add a little bit to the bracelet and the keychain. So the first thing you'll do is, in the kit you have a large amount of this string for the bracelet. So you're going to measure your wrist with the string, leave a little bit of extra because you're going to tie it and you'll need that extra for the knot. And then what you do is just start adding your beads on there. So the kit came with letter beads, so I did a name, I did a couple of soccer balls, and then I decided to use the mini pony beads, white ones, in between black beads that came with the kit to give it just a little bit more for the bracelet. Then for the keychain, it has these long pins that come with the kit, and they have like a little hook on the end, and the other end you just string the beads on. And then it comes with little charms you can use, and the little hooks, you hook that onto the end there, and I bent the other end and added the charm, and I just put USA and some blue, red, and white on there, and that's the keychain. So that's soccer, keychain, and bracelet.